Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off call waiting on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Phone. Next in here, go down and tap on call waiting. At the top here, tap on the call waiting toggle button to turn off or switch on call waiting. When call waiting is on, and if you are on another call, then your phone will make a small background beep to let you know that you have a second incoming call. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.